Grupa. Caputin Square Underground Garage. The construction of the first public underground garage in Varaždin began on Caputin Square in the heart of the city. The company Centorad, which is the construction investor, will, after 30 years of management, hand over the managing of the project to the city of Varaždin. The main contractor is the renowned construction company from Varaždin, Zagorje Technobeton. Highly complex construction work involving the protection of the building pit is performed by the company known as Grupa, also from Varaždin. The area of the future structure is approximately 6,400 meters squared. The construction of the building pit protection has a dual assignment. It protects the sides of the pit from the pressure exerted by the ground, the neighbouring structures and the traffic, but most importantly, it allows dry construction of the two underground floors without any groundwater seeping in. Protection of the building pit is performed using the anchored reinforced concrete diaphragm 14 meters deep, covering the entire circumference of the pit. The ceiling of the pit bottom is made using the system of jet grouting columns 160 centimeters in diameter which overlap each other. Jet grouting is the procedure of transforming a certain soil volume into earth mortar, where the structure of the soil is broken up using a high pressure up to 400 bar concrete suspension blast with exit speeds of over 100 meters per second. After hardening, soil that has been treated in the above manner has favourable static and sealing properties. The plan is to completely finish the construction by September 2012. Janaf, crude oil tank. The largest investment of Janaf in the next period will be the construction of crude oil tanks at the Omišalj terminal. The construction of these tanks will have several phases. Each tank has a capacity of 80,000 cubic meters. All 8 tanks are planned for a total capacity of 640,000 cubic meters. The completion of the investment project is expected in 2015. The first phase of construction consists of preparation works and foundation soil improvement beneath the tanks. This work will be performed by Grupa from Varaždin, a company specialized in this type of work. The work will be performed using modern jet and consolidation-based injection equipment. Injection homogenizes and strengthens the embankment layer and the cracked fragile rock beneath the oil tank, lowering deformability and differential settlement. ZTC, West Shopping Centre. Grupa from Varaždin is responsible for the foundation and building pit protection work for the new West Shopping Centre in Zvonimir Street in Rijeka, near the Krnjevo intersection. The construction area of the new complex covers approximately 25,000 meters squared, while the gross developed area of the shopping centre is about 70,000 meters squared. This is a project that has been in preparation for 12 years. The main contractor is Osijek Codex DD. The company Grupa from Varaždin was hired for the foundation work using diameter piles of 600 mm and 1,200 mm, and the protection of the building pit using diameter piles of 600 mm and AB grillage in combination with geotechnical and strand anchors and earthworks. This company has the necessary professional staff and the latest technology equipment for fulfilling very complex conditions for this kind of work. All the work was completed on time and high in quality. Geotechnical work ended mid-2011. Sava-Yakushevats Railroad Bridge. In March 2009, the bearing capacity of the Sava-Yakushevats Railroad Bridge was compromised, and the Velika Gorica to Sesveter traffic route had to be cancelled. The bearing capacity was compromised due to the undermining of the foundation well of pillar number 6, causing a vertical shift, rotation, and inclination of the pillar. Due to the weakening of the pillar, the steel spanning structure was deformed. After geotechnical soil investigation works and preparation of the project documentation, bridge repair work began in 2011. In order to ensure the stability and safety of the inclined pillar, the company repaired its foundations. The pillar was tied to its neighbouring pillar using steel ropes, and its foundations were widened. In the first phase of repair, the company performed a cofferdam of steel sheet piles around the pillar foundations and laid concrete in the area between the pillar foundations and the cofferdam. The next step in the repair of the pillar is drilling through the concrete foundations and jet grouting of the soil beneath the pillar. Workers of Grupa performed a difficult task on an inaccessible location on the Sava River using a pontoon bridge, steel ropes, and special machinery. The company is active in Croatia, Slovenia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Austria, with intention to expand to other countries in the region. Through constant investment in professional staff and the latest technology equipment, Grupa offers optimal solutions for all geotechnical constructions. The company activities are soil investigation and design, groundwater control, foundations, building pit protection, conservation and reconstruction, other geotechnical constructions, and geotechnical monitoring and supervision.